doesn't have to be verses, it doesn't have to be big stuff. In your limited understanding, what do you think is the Krishna consciousness movement? And who do you think is Sri Krishna?
I think Krishna consciousness is where living entities try to establish a loving relationship with Krishna, and Krishna is the embodiment of eternality, bliss, and knowledge.
I was going to say Krishna is our eternal well-wisher, and the Krishna conscious movement is about selflessly loving Krishna through devotional service, chanting, anything else.
I think it's about like chanting, dancing, eating, and repeating. And yes.
So it's basically like a for loop or something?
Yes, a while loop. While alive. And I think
Chanting, dancing, eating,
and repeating that. Yeah. I think Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
And I think that the Krishna conscious movement is the process by which us lost souls go back to Him, to go back to where we originally came from, through the process of loving devotional service.
Now Krishna, it's not just about saying it, but we have to do something, and that is nothing but devotional service. Through devotional service, through bhakti, we show Krishna that we have some love and attachment for Him. Okay. So who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead?
Krishna.
Who is God?
Krishna.
Again and again. So K is Krishna, V is Vrindavan. He expands. Dhrita, or he manifests, he expands. Prabhav Prakash, what's the name? Prabhav Prakash. And second is called as Vaibhav Prakash. What's the second? What's the first? What's the second? He's called as Mool Sankarshan. What is he called? Mool Sankarshan. Who is he? He is Mahavishnu. Then we'll have a few volunteers come here and recreate the flowchart.
It's the exact opposite.
Vrindavan is the son of Yashoda, so there's two different Krishnas.
P for Pradyumna.
Vishnu wants to create the earth. Okay? And so he has, the problem is...
That looks like a football player. Chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is like that elevator. It's not even stairs, it's an elevator. From here you just straight away transcend everything and go back to Krishna and Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna. The girls are going first and the boys will naturally give their names. We have a minute and 30 seconds to act. If you don't act by then, we're done. So then.
And we all work Father.
Dancer? Dancer?
Oh,
what is... Come on, Sai, come on! 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, Aditya's going. Aditya, go.
What was the name? of y'all, this program will not materialize. I may think and I may want something, but if not for all of y'all, I cannot speak. We cannot have the creation, we cannot have the Damsharas, nothing. I thank each and every one of you. Everyone is special in the eyes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I genuinely, as an older brother, I love each one of y'all. All of y'all are very dear to my heart, very, very special.